Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your YouTube channel or account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There doesn't seem to be an option to delete your account from within the YouTube app, so this is how you can do it. We need to use YouTube on a web browser. I like to use Firefox for this because when using Chrome, I've noticed it always tries to reopen the YouTube app instead of using the browser. Load youtube.com and log in to your account. Tap on your profile image at the top right of the page and then tap Desktop View. Tap your profile image once more and this time tap the Settings button. In the settings, tap on Advanced Settings from the bottom of the left sidebar. Here in Advanced Settings, there is an option to delete your channel. You will need to confirm here that you want to delete it. It is also possible to simply hide your channel instead of permanently deleting it. If you're sure you want to delete it, you will need to finalize it by entering in your email address and then tapping on Delete My Content. The deletion of your channel and all its content has started, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.